Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we tackle an interesting problem involving setting up a TP-VPN router to connect to the LAN using OpenVPN. The user configured OpenVPN on both the router and their mobile phone, but ran into issues when trying to connect using mobile data. Connecting via Wi-Fi worked fine, but the mobile network posed a problem. The OpenVPN log showed repeated failed connection attempts to the VPN router IP, creating a bit of a head-scratcher for the user. Let's dive into the details of this puzzling problem. In searching for a solution to the connectivity woes, the user discovered that changing the internal IP assigned by the ISP router to the VPN router for the external IP, which was associated with a DNS address due to its non-static nature, did the trick. By updating the internal IP to match the external IP in the OVPN file before uploading it to the OpenVPN app, the user was able to seamlessly log into the VPN using the mobile data network. Sometimes, it's the simplest of changes that can make all the difference. To wrap things up, by aligning the internal IP of the VPN router with the external IP from the ISP router, connected to a DNS address, the user successfully resolved the connectivity issue over mobile data. It just goes to show that sometimes a small tweak can lead to a big win. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Until next time, stay connected and keep problem solving.